want.
No! You told me not to play Inspector Buddy!
You don't understand. For some reason, the Mean Man is getting stronger. You have to help me find out how to stop him. Please!
Tom, I'm standing in the heart of South Park's Little Tokyo, where the multitude of our town's Chinese are putting on a festival. Both of them have gone all out to celebrate Asian culture. The owner of Shitting Wok has actually